I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, listen, we had a major hack happen to a coin that we were trading. And they've got a recompensation plan that just came out, and Uno is seeing a bounce as we speak. And so I'm going to go over that. Very important. RNDR, we talked about it yesterday, the last few days. It's a very strong setup, and we've had a good entry on it. If we do get this Bitcoin pullback based on this rising wedge, then potentially you get better entry into it. So that's another thing we're watching. And then again, very important Uno update. And then YFI, the exit scam of the century. Not even of the century, the exit scam that's of the week in crypto, right? Exit scam, rug pulls. Like, this is a space that I just can't even believe they get away with some of this stuff. But Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin printing this rising wedge. This is 68% chance it breaks to the downside. If that happens, then your downside move would give you a move to this lower trend line at about 35,600. It's running out of room, right? So we're looking for something to happen soon, right? And so if we go to the 12-hour chart, the idea that the bulls don't want to happen is this is the top, and then you see some type of breakdown. I mean, there's going to be a bunch of buyers that jump in. There's a ton of Bitcoin spot ETF hype that's going to, I mean, it's still in effect, right? I announced this yesterday. The SEC said, like, they're just laying out the guidelines, like, do this, without saying you're approved. They're saying you're approved, right? We're going to get this done. You're seeing even more and more institutions coming out with spot Bitcoin ETFs. Life-changing money is coming. The biggest opportunity of your lifetime is coming. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in our leverage trading group. We hit render for 555%. 167%, 138%, 129%, 123, 73, 63, 61, 340, 307. If you want to trade fast, short-term trades and make a lot of money, you want to join the leverage group. All you got to do, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you in there, right? Cheapest prices ever right now. If you want to join the spot group, the bull run is coming. Right? The bull run, the life-changing money that we've all been waiting for. Bitcoin's going to act like an altcoin. You can join the spot group for $2 a day. You just pay for 12 months and you get a month free. And again, these are all setups that were given in the group: 152%, 129%, 99%. I even shared it on YouTube as well. And this was BitTensor. The 80% out of Chainlink, we nailed it, right? We're nailing all the bangers. Make sure, set yourself up for this bull market. I will take you guys and lead you to the top of the bull market, period. Now, here's YFI. So just in, Yearn Finance, one of the biggest platforms in DeFi, just plummeted over 45% in an apparent exit scam by the insiders. Nearly half the supply of YFI is held by 10 wallets. And 250 million in market cap value has vanished in minutes. They took profits, right? They're thinking, hey, Bitcoin going to pull back, altcoin's going to pull back. Yeah, they took profits. Now, what we did is risky, and we played the bounce off YFI and grabbed a quick 9%. And so again, there's trades in the group, and then there's long-term holds, and we've got moonbag picks, and we cater to all trading styles. Now, RNDR, I've given you this and I've talked to you about it multiple times. I mean, this thing was right here, and the reason why I'm kind of stuck on it is because it's an amazing setup. Now, it needs to break above, this thing is going to do 20x. It's going to break, it needs to break above this level. But I mean, we've seen 20% gains out of it after the breakout, right? Which we called on the channel. Uno. This was a coin where I gave you guys a setup, and if you took profits up here, you made 65%. Well, then there's a security incident where they were hacked. The wallets were drained. And now Uno just came out, right? And the ticker is UNO. I'll just type that here real quick. The UNO USDT, right? That's the ticker. You see, you've had a bounce off this idea. And so basically, they're stating the proposal for recompensation for the affected events of November 14th are listed in this document. We'll go over that quickly. But a lot of people took a big hit, and a lot of people are still holding because Uno is a crypto insurance. It's crypto insurance. Like, if they're able to insure all these other cryptos, for sure they're able to insure themselves, right? And so the aim of this proposal is to restore Uno SSIP their positions 1-to-1 while maintaining a healthy Uno token economy, right? You had all these pools that were exploited. A bunch of coins were stolen. They basically stated in the compensation plan that they're going to allocate a portion of the current protocol treasury to acquire 155,000 USDT, 32,000 USDC, 18 Ethereum, which will be further used to create respective SSIP positions, and the 32.4 million token holdings for SSIP will be distributed. And so they're trying to make things good. That's the most important thing. Without going through and boring you with the details, they are going to split the Uno tokens up, and they're working on making everything good. They're going to burn, this is huge. If this passes, they're going to burn 64 million Uno tokens. People have increased their buys based on Uno. If this proposal gets approved, Uno is going to see an uptick in price, right? They're going to patch the contracts, and they have all these ideas. Everything's laid out with all the token addresses. They're doing everything right. And it's possible because you have all these exchanges that froze the Uno token. And it's possible that they get the coins back. And if the coins come back, then basically they'll handle that at that point in time. But the amazing thing is, you know, Uno's seen a 9% uptick in price based on this news being released. Again, there's plenty of work that has to be done, but Uno being made whole again is a possibility. And so I took a big hit on Uno. Now, I did take profits on the way up, but this was just one of those things, like, you're in a coin and it gets hacked, and what do you do? Like, it's a terrible feeling. Like, you all of a sudden everything just nuked. I got caught up in it, but I did add some coins down at the bottom, and I'm looking for Uno to work and Uno as a team to work and recover and, you know, put things back together. I mean, they are the crypto insurance coin, and people are talking about Uno doing 50x. Well, you want to do 50x, you need to start by proving to us that you can make yourself whole, make everybody else whole that lost on this, right? So if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.